If you're lucky enough to have an outdoor space, why not make it fun and colorful? I'm going to give you a few ideas today about using novelty prints for your outdoor space. I'm Jayma Brown, designer and color expert for Daisy Bennett Designs, and I've been designing fabrics, wallpapers, and murals for many years, and they're sold worldwide, so I do have a passion and an eye for color and design. And today I want to share with you how to use fun novelty prints on a lanai. Now, when I design, I usually create a mood board, and I thought I would just share with you my mood board. And as you can see, I've got my fish pattern here, coral, water texture, new shell prints, just so to get that ocean vibe. And this actually did inspire my ocean mural that I created recently. But today I want to talk to you about novelty print pillows on a blue couch. Instead of just going all white, this is a really nice outdoor Krypton fabric from Tebow, and I've mixed my fish pattern with it. Now these are outdoor, it's polyester, so it's good for outdoor, waterproof. But I like it because you see we've just put the blue check with it, fun print, and then a little modern spot print for the lumbar, so you can get a little support on your back. Now, if you don't want it, if this is too much white, I'm going to show you what it looks like with navy. And voila, now we've put in the navy pillows. Quite fun with the spot print again. Don't forget, you can get these pillows on my website at daisybennettdesigns.com. So make your outdoor lounging area really comfortable, enjoy it, bring in some color, and just enjoy the space. Until next time, go bold and add some color into your home.